Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to show you how to make a fantastic space fact video with HitPaw Edimakor. This tool allows you to create cinematic AI videos in minutes. Make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started by opening HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find the link in the description below. Now, let's click AI Video Generation. It will open a new window. Here, you can type or paste your video script, or let AI assist you by clicking on the AI Copywriting button. If you're unsure how to use AI to help you with the YouTube video script, don't worry, I've created a tutorial for this. You can watch it by clicking the link provided in the description area. Once you have your script ready, copy it and close this window. Now, paste the script into the designated area and proceed by clicking Next. In the left panel, you'll see your script divided into individual sentences. You can add videos by clicking the plus button, or use the auto pick feature to let AI select random videos for you. You can see manually adding videos seems time-consuming. Don't worry. Simply click the option to auto pick all the videos at once. Moving to the right panel, you can preview the video and change its aspect ratio if necessary. Additionally, you can enhance your video by adding an AI-generated voiceover. For subtitles, select a style that you prefer to match your video's tone and style. Now, it's time to add music. Click to browse the available tracks and choose the one that best complements your video. Once selected, click Confirm to finalize your choice. At this point, everything is set, but you might want to refine your video further. For more detailed edits, click on Advanced Edit to enter the editing window. Here, you can adjust the length of the videos and subtitles to ensure they align perfectly with the voiceovers. Now take a look at your finished product.
Welcome back to our Space Fact series. Today, we are going to explore some mind-blowing facts about the universe that will leave you in awe. Did you know that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth? It is estimated that there are about 100 billion galaxies in the universe.
Isn't it great? If you think this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comments section. See you in the next video.